state which of the following species are amphiprotic and write chemical equations illustrating the amphiprotic characteristics of these species. And then we have letter E out of the bunch. So in this case, we have to figure out if AsO43- is amphiprotic. But I think there's a little bit of a typo here, guys. Hold the phone, because if I'm looking for the periodic table for just an A element, I'm not going to find it. So I do believe that this one was supposed to be an arsenic, lowercase s, not a capital S. So it's just two elements here, As for arsenic and then oxygen with the 4,3-. So we're going to be working off of this. But anyway, is this amphiprotic or is it amphoteric? Tomato, tomato. Some of your teachers or professors might use the word amphoteric. So I just wanted to let you know that amphoteric is the same as amphiprotic. Now, what does that mean? Well, if a species or an ion is classified as being amphoteric or amphiprotic, that just means that it has both acidic and basic properties. So in some situations, it can act as an acid. In some situations, it can act as a base. It just depends on what the situation is. So now let's just run through it. Well, what constitutes something acting as a Bronsted-Lowry acid? Well, remember, acids, they always lose that hydrogen ion, aka hydronium or a proton. They will donate it, aka lose. But if you lose something, that means you have to have it in the first place. And the element here is hydrogen. But I'm looking at AsO43- and I don't see any hydrogens. There's no hydrogens in the front. There's no hydrogens in the back. There's no hydrogens at all. So can you lose an element that you don't even have? No, you can't. So would this be classified as an acid? No. And since that's since we have a no already, this is not amphiprotic because it does not act as an acid. And there you go. So that's the end for this one. Pretty simple, guys. What do you think? Hopefully this helped. Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to the channel. And I really hope that you guys are doing great out there. Let's keep working hard. Let's keep studying hard. You guys got this. Good luck on your future tests and quizzes. And I will see you in later lessons. Bye-bye.